I can put you guys right here. Perfect. So you guys get the gist of what we are doing. Bring y'all a little close. I got the number 40. The lower you go, the more coarse the paper. So I got the number 40 ultra coarse, and then I got the number 150 to kind of buff it out and give the new paint a very nice surface to adhere to and to grab onto and solidate and dry to, so that we won't have any peeling or cracking or, you know, anything of that nature. So we're gonna, first I'm gonna grind it all down. Yeah, this is a long bus, and I'm just right here, so I got a long way to go. So first I'm gonna grind it all down, and then I'm going to buff it. Then I'm going to, well, grind it, sweep it down, buff it, rinse it down, let it dry, then paint it. Alrighty, because I have a 2-in-1 indoor-outdoor paint and primer, and it's the ultra hard kind, so it's going to hold up really well to any type of weather, and it's super heat resistant and all of that old good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be back with the finishing product. See y'all in a minute.